What up, y'all? Me and my friend Kyle, we're going to this alpine lake in Oregon, all the way up in the woods. And we're about to go catch some brook trout in a lightning storm. I'll meet you guys there. Oh, it looks so good. Did you see that? There was a trout that surfaced up there. Wow. Another one surfaced over there. Holy smokes, bro. Look at this. How beautiful is that?
Holy majestic.
Kyle's on, guys.
Holy majestic. Come here.
Look at that brook trout, guys. Look at that thing. Wow. On the little spinner. Kyle's on again, guys. Kyle's on again.
Oh,
look at that.
He's bright.
Oh, yeah. Look at that thing. Oh, wow. Look at those colors. Oh, look at that orange.
Wow. He's gorgeous.
That's crazy. Okay, I think it's time for me to cast in here. I got the little rooster tail. Looks like a rainbow trout. Okay. Let's cast this out here. Okay, guys, we moved down a little bit. Let's try this little spot here. Let's try not to spook these fish. I might switch up lures soon to a little spoon. Something more flashy. Bombing that out there, guys. Okay, guys, I just got slammed, absolutely slammed over there. Right over there to the right. It's not too bad, though. It's like on and off. Maybe that'll entice the fish to bite. Guys, I know there's some giants hiding here. There has to be. Not very many people come and fish this this lake. And these trout are at the end of their spawn right now. But they still have their colors and they're super pretty. It's one of the only spots where you can catch brook trout around here. If not the only spot that I know of, at least, that you can catch brook trout. But expect more content at this lake because we will be coming back for sure. Okay, let's try a cast over there. Oh my God, guys. That's not very... That doesn't sound very good. The forecast didn't say it was going to be like this. That's interesting. A giant, guys, a giant just swiped at it. Right over there. Right over there. Let's see if we can get him. That one was big, guys. That one was big. Come on. Come on. I know you want it. Oh my God, one just jumped again. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Right there. Right over there, there's a fish. He's moving. Let's see if we can get him. Oh, got him. Got him, boys. Got him. Yes, yes. Oh, that's a nice one. It's a nice one. Look at this feisty little fella. Where is he? He's right here. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty. He's so pretty, guys. This fish, guys. Look at this fish. Beautiful, beautiful brook trout. I mean, it doesn't really get better than that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It does not get better than that. Let's catch a release on this little guy. There he goes. Not the giant I hooked up earlier, but still a beautiful fish nonetheless. One just jumped right there. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah, it doesn't sound very good, guys. But I'm gonna move over there on that log, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, guys, we're on the log right now, but we gotta watch out because this thing moves. Throw it back out there. Be hunting or something. But yeah, hopefully we can catch some more fish before it gets too bad out here. And if it gets too bad, we're gonna have to leave. Kyle's over there setting up again because he got snagged. Oh my gosh. I don't know if the camera got that, but that was insane. That was an insane lightning bolt. Oh my god. Oh my god, am I on? Kyle, did you see that? Bro, it was a crazy lightning bolt. Yeah, guys, it's getting sketchy out here. But hopefully this rain goes away in a second and the trout start biting. Oh my god, he's right there. Look at that. Oh my god. Did you guys see that? He came out of the water for my spinner. No way. Look at that. That fish is still on it. He's still on it. He's still on it. He's still on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. That fish is in. He just came out of the water for it. That's crazy. Bro, Kyle. I was taking my spinner out of the water and this freaking fish jumped out of the water for my spinner. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. I'm on, guys. I'm on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This one isn't as colored up, but it's okay. It's still a pretty fish. Oh, calm down, buddy. Calm down. Calm down. Look at that fish, guys. Oh, there he goes. Okay, guys. I just switched to this spoon. See, it's pretty flashy, colorful with a single hook on there. Let's try it. It's also pretty heavy, so it should sink down good. It should cast well, too. Oh, yeah. Right by that log. Let's go. Come on. Oh, got him. Got him, guys. Got one. Let's go. Got one. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Stay on. Oh, yeah. That's a pretty one. It looks like. Oh, my God. He's so orange. Oh, my God. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that fish, guys. Oh, my God. Look at that fish, guys. Oh, no. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Oh, my gosh. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that fish. Look at how beautiful that thing is. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh. Ho. There he goes. Whew. Okay, guys. Got a dry fly. There's one right here. Gotta get it a little closer to him. Oh, he's spooked. Maybe he'll come back for it. No. come up for it. Oh, he's coming for it. Oh my God, that was crazy. Okay. Come on, he's coming for it. He's coming for it. Got him,
Yes!
got him,
I told
got
you,
him.
bro. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a pretty one.
Yes, he is.
Look at that thing. Oh, I wish I had a net. Oh my God, look at that fish.
Camera's getting none of that right
It's okay, it's okay. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that.
now. He is majestic.
Look at that fly in his mouth.
That red's deep.
Wow. All right, back in there. That was such a sick eat, bro.
Bro, I just knew he was going.
I just saw him and he
That's
just...
the one that's been just like non-stop doing it, bro.
I can't see anymore, but that was
I guess he was
sick.
here.
Just spooked him. Oh, he's right there, guys. Watch this, watch this. Chubby Chernobyl. Oh, he's following your thing. He's following your thing.
He's not gonna get it. He's not gonna get it. He's going too slow. It's not like enough. He's going.
Watch, he's going this. He's about to deny it.
See if we can get George. Try to put this in
Oh, right there. Oh, yeah, got him. Got him, guys.
Missed it, bro.
Got him.
I was trying to clip that. I stopped recording just before.
Woohoo! This one's real orange.
Yeah.
Nice little fish.
It's like cloudy though, so the fish probably see the top water nice.
Oh, there he goes.
Bro, be careful.
Look at that one right there. Oh, he's coming for it. He's coming for it. He's coming for it. Oh, he denied me. No way. Oh my God. That was insane. That thing came up and just munched it.
That was sick.
Holy smokes, man.
You missed that. Whatever. I was like, if you grab my rod, George, and just...
Damn. Oh, got him. No, I just ripped it from his mouth. Oh my God. He came back for it. No way. That was sick. Where is he? He's right here. Oh, this one's feisty. Oh, this one's actually nice. Don't go under the log. Don't go under the log.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. What a nice fish. Look at those spots on it. Oh,
Where'd you go behind you? Oh, my God.
the fly's right in the corner of his mouth. Oh, and he's gone. Killing him on the fly rod, bro.
No.
This has got to be some of the best dry fly fishing I've ever experienced. Like, this is insane. Oh, oh, he missed it. Or I missed him. Come on, come back for it again.
I just got hit too.
Come on,
I think that was the same one that you lost.
come on.
That wasn't like a hard air.
Right as it landed, bro. Did you see that?
No.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. That was insane. I think I got that like right on video too. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Oh, look, he's coming for your thing. Oh, no, he's not.
I don't think he was.
There you go.
Nice.
I know. That is a nice one, guys. Look at that thing. Look at that thing, guys. Look at that fish. Oh, yeah. That is a perfect brook trout.
Down there. But like I had to like walk out like in the water part.
There he goes. Actually. just spooked him. Oh, he's right there, guys. Watch this, watch this. Chubby Chernobyl. Oh, he's following your thing. He's following your thing.
He's not gonna get it. He's not gonna. He's going too slow. He's not larking enough. He's going.
Watch, he's going this. He's about to deny it.
See if we can get George. I gotta put this in my
Oh, right there. Oh, yeah, got him. Got him, guys.
missed it, bro.
Got him.
I was trying to clip that. I stopped recording just before.
Woohoo! This one's real orange.
Yeah.
Oh my god. He's still fighting.
Totally dark.
I know. Nice little fish.
It's like cloudy though, so the fish probably see the top water nice.
Yeah. And they're also always looking up.
Yeah, and that's a lighter colored fly.
Oh, there he goes.
Bro, be careful walking.
Well, guys, as you can see, I'm comfortable in my bed right now, editing the video as we speak. And I just realized that the footage I got from the outro got deleted for some reason. So I'm gonna have to add an outro right now. But that was an epic day, and we had so much fun. We had a lot of sick eats for the video. And yeah, those brook trout were insane. They were so active. Like, as the rain stopped and the sun came out, those brook trout would just go crazy on the dry flies. And even though I forgot my main dry fly box, I still had some what are they called, grasshoppers. And yeah, they did not care what I was showing them. They were just eating it. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next adventure.